Good evening. Today we're going to try on the Stormtrooper mask, and we're going to test the so infamous audio feature. Okay, I'm gonna put the mask on. Okay, hi. And now we're gonna try the audio feature because 1 week ago I already put on the 3 AAA parodies. Okay, we have to press this button here. Hi, testing audio system of my Hasbro Stormtrooper mask. Here from the inside it sounds pretty cool. It sounds like a robot. What I don't know is when you hear this video, what is the thing you're going to listen to. But inside the helmet, it really sounds as if I were a robot. So I really don't understand so many complaints about this feature. It's pretty cool, at least for me. I don't know for the one who is listening to me, but for me it's pretty cool. It sounds like a robot at all. It sounds like a robot, absolutely yes. Stormtrooper here, testing. See the difference again? Now there is no robot audio, and now with the robot audio on. Robot audio on. Robot audio on. Okay, that was my today video, basically to try the infamous audio feature of this Hasbro Stormtrooper mask. Have a nice day, girls and boys.